What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if always on display not working on your Redmi 13. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on wallpaper and personalization. Now here tap on always on display and then you will see a always on display button on the top. So to use always on display, tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button you can set the settings to display for 10 seconds after tapping, or you can turn off when battery saver is on, and you can also customize more settings. But after turning on this button and customizing settings, if you are still facing the issue while using always on display, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the always on display will start working properly. So that's how you can fix always on display not working on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.